Alright, hey everybody, it's about 10 after 7 here, and for tonight's dinner we were going to make pizzas using the FireBox, and these, Mark, you said were the five-way
cook set.
Five-way cook set. So you see these cast iron from FireBox, if you can see that in the light there. Mark bought this set. This isn't the Dutch oven version, it's the shallower ones, but we're going to use those to try to make pizza. So a couple things. First, I bought the wrong pizza dough. I bought the thin pizza dough. So we're hoping not to burn this pizza in our fire that we're going to do. Mark's bought some meatballs to add to the pizza, but thought they were pre-cooked. They're not. They're raw. So now we're trying to cook those in the frying pan to get those ready to put on top of our pizza with our turkey pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese, and Italian spices. So, you know, there's always a few glitches no matter what we do, no matter how we do it, no matter how well we plan. So you just got to make do and do the best we can. So we'll make 2 little thin pizzas, then we'll try to make some smaller stuff with the dough, and then the worst case scenario, we have extra, dehydrated meals, so we're going to be having one of those tonight. I don't know. I also got some mountain pie makers, so we'll see. So it's kind of a tradition that we do pizza together when we're camping, yeah, you know, it's always got to be something with us. So, but right now we're just waiting for the coals and the fire to settle down a little bit more. There's a little bit too much flame. Once we do that, we'll bring you over there, and we're going to move those coals around with our shovel and kind of show you trying to cook in this, that we're trying to cook it, and then we'll show you the final product when we pull it out. Hopefully it looks decent. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody, I know it's getting dark, so we've got the pizza in the FireBox there. We put it on the grate that comes with the fire pit. Then I'm going to try to move some of these coals right underneath it to heat it from the bottom. And then we got to take some of these coals. How do you want me to do this, Mark? You just want me to just scoop it like
scoop them up.
Bunch like this?
Yep.
And just kind of put them on top? Like that?
Yeah, just evenly
Even
on
them
it.
out? Okay. Some more. Does that look about even, buddy?
I think so. I just
Okay.
see bring the light in a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Put these under there and
Yeah, put them back in there and
Yeah.
make sure you get some good amount of heat from below.
it won't take long. That's the thin dough, so unfortunately I bought the wrong dough, but we'll make do. All right, so we'll just leave this out, and within a short period of time, hopefully we'll have some decent pizza. So stay tuned, everybody, and we'll show you what it comes up with. All right, hey everybody. So we had the pizza on the grill originally on the grate there, but I think it was just too high, so we just put the pizza directly into the bed of coals that we made. So now we're gonna pull it out and check the pizza and see if it's done. So Mark will just pull it out right there, and I think I got it in good light here so you can see. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Yeah, take a look at that. Let me get my light on there so you can see it. Yeah, it's really, really good. You can see it. I touched the parchment paper. Look at the bottom. The crust is done. The cheese is melted. Pepperoni's ready to go. That's a perfect little pizza in the FireBox. So now we're going to go do the second one. So we'll split that one. Mark also made some meatballs for himself. So let's go make another pizza. All right, everybody, so this was pizza number 2. So again, we tried to just we had round pizza dough, so we had to cut out the squares to fit in to the FireBox. That looks really great. We got some meatball on there this time. We got some turkey pepperoni, and that looks absolutely deliciously perfectly cooked. We really like this thin dough. And, sometimes when we got the thicker dough, the dough wouldn't cook all the way in the middle sometimes. So we were happy with the thin dough. We just should have got the square thin dough, not the round thin dough, but either way, the first pizza came out great. The second one looks good. We'll piece the scraps together and make a third. It's going to be an awesome night. So we're going to just eat this meal. Thanks, everybody, for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.